Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. In today's video, we're focusing on seasonal care for your kitchen garden. From winter prep to seasonal planting, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Winter can be tough on your garden, especially in colder climates. Protect your perennial herbs by mulching around their bases to insulate the roots. For herbs in containers, consider moving them indoors to a sunny spot to shield them from the harsh weather. Here are a few tips for winter prep. First, mulch deeply. Apply a thick layer of mulch, such as straw or wood chips, around your perennial herbs to keep the soil warm. Second, indoor care. Move container plants indoors before the first frost. Place them in a sunny window and reduce watering to prevent overwatering during the dormant period. Maintaining a year-round supply of produce requires careful planning. Rotate your crops to prevent soil depletion and reduce pest buildup. Plan successive plantings to ensure you have fresh produce throughout the year. Seasonal planting keeps your garden productive and healthy. Rotating crops improves soil fertility and reduces the risk of diseases. Successive planting ensures a continuous harvest, so you always have fresh vegetables and herbs. Here's how to plan for seasonal planting. First, use a planting calendar to track the best times to plant different crops in your region. Next, rotate crops by changing the location of your crops each season to prevent soil exhaustion. Finally, plan successions by staggering your plantings to ensure a steady supply of fresh produce. Seasonal care is essential for a thriving kitchen garden. With proper winter prep and strategic seasonal planting, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest year-round. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!